huh? All right, now here's another stinker. This one was supposed to be like the Deaf Poetry Jam. It was a funny premise. It was called the Deaf Comedy Poetry Jam, where we basically had people I knew from Deaf Comedy Jam come and do like the corniest joke premises and poetry style. It's kind of hard to explain, but it was funny. Like most deaf came out acting fool. Go ahead and show them the beginning.
Oh! Ow! Are you ready for some poetry, motherfuckers?
All right. So then Shucky Ducky comes out, and Hamburg, and all these guys come out and do hacky black poems. And I even did one myself, which is pretty hilarious. I'll show it to you in its entirety. Here's the one I did. White people do this. Black people do that. When white people's power goes off, they panic. When black people's power goes off, they plan it. We'll take a quick commercial break, but don't go anywhere. We have more of our greatest misses coming up. Hey gang, welcome back. Now, let's see, how can I describe this thing? With the frontline piece, much like we did the Clayton Dixon piece. We wrote this one when they had opened the first public school for all gay students. And we were like, okay, America's freaking out now, like about the gay thing, like, so we thought, what if it was like so segregated that there became two Americas, gay America and straight America? And that was the premise of the sketch.
Cities like San Francisco even offer special municipal services, like this gay Department of Motor Vehicles.
Honey, with those cheekbones, you're a natural. Now just stand there, that's right. Look your head back a little bit. Let's get that great big smile. Let's see those pearly whites. Hold it, hold it.
Congratulations, your license plate is so ready.
It was funny. I mean, we were just messing around, you know, just having fun, right? But it gets worse. Like, we keep going on like this. Okay, so there's a gay DMV. What else can we just make like a gay version of? And then we just went to town with like the gay versions of things, for instance.
Every aspect of American life is being affected by the culture. There are gay butchers, gay landscapers,
just for fun, because we see that guy again, that shit was very funny to me. Here's where we start spinning out of control. All right, this next one was offensive not only to gay people, but black people. And if you're a gay black person, then you get doubly made. But it was all in the spirit of fun. I still think it's funny. All right, go ahead and show it.
Here in Huntsville, Alabama, amazingly, they have started a gay chapter of the Ku Klux Klan.
Oh, it's hot like the Dickens. As I was saying to Brian, we hate too, okay? But we do it a special way. We do it with compassion. Morning, I'm with the KKK. We had a meeting and we were talking, and we'd be more comfortable if you guys left the neighborhood. Have you considered going back to Africa?
All right. Now this next piece was the piece that started the whole shebang bang. This was the first premise that led to this gay American sketch. This actually was Charlie Murphy's idea. He called and was like, I got this funny idea for a sketch, man, and told Neil, and we just ran with it.
This is the most splendiferous, monumental event in the history of the world.
That's how you do it. Can't pass, get back over. Let that traffic